They were calling for rain, but I don't see a cloud in the sky. Ooh, I love days like this. Today I am exploring more of the outside. Actually, I'm going kayaking at Santee State Park. And here at Cypress Landing is where you can rent from Whenever Watersports using a QR code. You've got everything included, your paddleboards, your tandem kayaks, single kayaks, and everything includes your flotation device and whistle. You can rent for the whole day. I just had a couple of hours, so literally 2 hours on the water. It cost me about $30. Did I mention I have never done this before? Oh yeah, this is an adventure in every kind of way, but I woke up just wanting to be on the water today, so I decided to figure out this kayak thing and plant myself in the middle of Lake Marion. Discover more of Whenever Watersports online and Facebook. Being on the lake makes you hungry for seafood, and I found the perfect spot in Santee. It's A&A Seafood Shack on Bass Drive. You gotta go. Look at this. A healthy portion of fish and shrimp. I got the fried okra, but they've also got red rice on the menu. They've got boils and mini boils on the menu. You can dine in or take it outside. Perfect on a day like this. A&A Seafood Shack. I'll be back. Make a day of it at Santee State Park with Whenever Watersports. Sound bath on YouTube, where nature's volume gets turned all the way